In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use workspaces in Power BI. We'll walk through creating a workspace, adding people with the right permissions, publishing reports from Power BI desktop, and finally packaging everything into an app for easy distribution. First, open your browser and go to the Power BI service at app.powerbi.com. On the left-hand menu, select Workspaces. This is where all your collaborative areas live. To create a new one, click New Workspace, give it a clear, memorable name, and add a description that explains what content belongs here and who it's for. This helps your team find the right place later. Next, choose a license mode that matches your organization's plans, such as Pro or Premium-based options. When you're ready, click Apply. Your workspace is now set up. To bring others in, open the workspace you just created and click Manage Access. Enter the email addresses of the people or groups who need to collaborate. Assign the appropriate role. Admin has full control. Member can publish and manage most content. Contributor can add and edit content without full admin rights. And viewer can only see what's been shared with them. Pick the least privileged role that still lets people do their work. Then click Add. Keeping roles tight helps maintain governance and reduces accidental changes. Next, let's publish a report to this workspace from Power BI Desktop. Open your report in Power BI Desktop, then click Publish. When prompted, choose the workspace you created and click Select. Publishing places your dataset and report in that shared location so your team can access the latest version. If you update the report later, republish to keep everything in sync. When your workspace content is ready for a wider audience, you can package it as an app. From the workspace, click Create App, add a clear name and a short, helpful description so people know what they're getting. Click Add Content and choose exactly which reports, dashboards, and datasets to include. Then set your audience, selecting who should receive the app. This could be specific groups or your entire organization, depending on your needs and permissions. Finally, click Publish. Your app will be available to the selected audience, providing a streamlined, read-only experience with only the content you curated. That's it, you've created a workspace, set access thoughtfully, published reports from desktop, and shared everything through an app. Follow these steps, keep names and roles consistent, and you'll have a clean, well-governed Power BI environment that's easy for everyone to use.